you tired of doom scrolling and brain rot? Then you need a personal curriculum. I'm Leanne, and this is Learning with Leanne, and I talk about things that I learn so that I can help you along your learning journey as well. If you haven't heard of personal curricula yet, then it was attributed to Parmesan Princess on TikTok and popularized by TikTokers and YouTubers. You basically design your learning paths based off of topics that you're interested in. I've only learned about it recently, but it's changed the way that I think about learning, it's changed the way that I spend my time, and it's inspired me to delve into topics that I'm passionate about. A really big point that I found of the personal curriculum is to be excited about learning. Maybe you could do a reward at the end. Maybe you could choose projects or outcomes that are applicable or that you're proud of. The point is to make learning fun and personalized to you. In this video, I'll guide you to the basics of how to create your own personal curriculum by sharing what I've done to create my own personal curriculum. I'll take you through the steps of developing your own courses, your own modules, and exploring different resources that you could use, and how to integrate it into your schedule. So take out your pen and paper, journals, or notes apps, and let's get started. You can pause the video at various times if you need more time to think or write. Number 1, brainstorm. We'll start off with a bit of journaling. Answer this journaling prompt. If I could learn any skill or subject in school or in life, what would it be? Brainstorm as many topics as you can. Here's a list of skills that I want to learn, including history, musical instruments, languages, technology, finances, and so on and so forth. If you run out of ideas, you can look up on Google or Pinterest things to learn or hobbies to learn. Number 2, layout. Next, decide how many subjects you want to learn each year or quarter if you want to do a shorter period of time. How many topics would that be for you? This could look like 1 subject per month, a few courses at a time per quarter. I'm doing 2 per month. Number 3, topics. Write down your top topics from your list and why you'd like to learn them. This could be to explore a new hobby, diversify your thinking, or to improve your skill in that certain area. Okay, how are we doing? We got your subjects and your overall schedule. Now we'll go on to number 4, modules. We'll choose some subtopics for your topics. This would be your main topic, and then your subtopics would be branches from that. For example, for the topic of learning, I'm doing the subtopics of reading, studying, and application. For the topic of sewing, I'm doing materials, fashion design, and creation. Number 5, goals. After subtopics, we're going to make some goals. What do you want to ultimately learn from your topic or subtopics? More specifically, what outcome do you want from your course? For a language, do you want to be conversationally fluent? Do you just want to learn a cool few vocabulary words? Do you want to explore the culture or test out the cuisine? Do you want to learn about upbringing of that culture and mannerisms of people from that culture? Write those down. For nutrition, do you want to cook healthier meals? Do you want to learn about herbalism? Do you want to learn about foods most beneficial for your body? Or other health practices? Once you've established what you want to learn specifically, we're going to need some resources. Number 6, resources. Since you're on YouTube, I'm assuming you have YouTube, so you can use YouTube University to find YouTube videos or playlists that are relevant to your subject of choice. Or you can create your own playlists of videos that you curate. If you have access to a public library, I recommend exploring it, and you can find various books on that subject that you're interested in. If you also get a library card, you most likely have access to digital resources as well, including Libby and LinkedIn Learning. So take advantage of those online resources. For Libby, you can borrow ebooks or audiobooks. For LinkedIn Learning, you can also learn a lot of professional skills. For other online resources, you can try Coursera. I've tried it, and it simplifies really complex subjects into an easy format. Check with your school or workplace if you have free access. I've also heard that Udemy is a really good resource that my brothers use to help study for their certifications. There's Code Academy, Khan Academy, W3 Schools. Those are really good resources as well, especially for technology. You can also look up university courses online. Sometimes they have them for free, and you can just type what you're interested in and the school name and courses. For example, you can do Python Harvard course, and it can give you free college level courses online. If you have any other recommendations, then you can comment them down below and help out a friend. Share the knowledge. Okay, you got your topics, subtopics, goals, and resources. Now you can schedule it into however you want. If you're like me and kind of do things sporadically, then you can set end dates of when you want to accomplish those goals or projects. If you're more structured, then you can plan it in your schedule like daily or weekly, and that can help you a lot. Depending on how long you want to allot to learning these, I recommend scheduling it into your calendar and on any apps or daily planners that you have. Also, I'm using Notion to make my personal curriculum. There are some free templates that I used, and I just adjusted it to my liking. There's also cool habit trackers that I'm also utilizing and testing out. Usually I would use my notes app or my journal, but I haven't been doing that, so I'm trying this out. Notion I've been using for years and it's amazing, so I'm going to do more in-depth study of that as well and hopefully make a video on that soon. So that's what I'll be using to track my personal curriculum and also making YouTube videos about things that I learn. If you enjoyed this video, then like it and subscribe for more. I'm going to be sharing my personal curriculum throughout and different tools and skills and tips that I learn along the way. So follow and subscribe for more. If you tried out the personal curriculum, then let us know your thoughts down below. And if you're committing to this, then comment, "This is personal," and we'll follow along your journey as well. And you can comment down below your tips and learnings. If you want to be more accountable, you can join the accountability group that I'm in WhatsApp. And it's helped me with my daily goals, and it's helped me share what I learned from any books that I'm reading, and other people share really good resources as well, so you can join that in the link down below. I'm also hosting some skills workshops online, so you can join those, and if you want to volunteer to teach something, then message me as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!